Hello, my friends. How you doing? This is Coffee Chug, and I am here. Hey, I'm gonna be doing a project that I really have no idea what in the world I'm doing. What I want to do is create a interactive. I don't want to call it a maze, but a game where you have to kind of move through the levels, but the controller is going to be a microbit, and using the accelerometer and using the other sensors that are in there to be able to control your character through the different levels and tunnels and mazes. So this video series is going to be a new one, but along the way, I'm just going to be upfront and honest, and we're probably going to make some mistakes, and we're going to learn together. And hopefully, along the way, you can leave your comments and ideas and insights of how you would solve things, and maybe we can co-create this stuff as we go together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to my stuff. Actually, I lied. I'm going to go here to create, and we're going to create a new program. And this very first episode is going to be pretty simple, because I want to leave it in a way that you watch this and you start to think about your kind of game. These are like the apps that my kids always play, like the gravity games where they go to try to break through the glass and not fall off platforms and things of that nature. And so we're going to try to create this similar type of game. So the first thing that I want to do here is I'm going to knock out this sprite because I do not need a cat in this particular game. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head here to backdrops. And what I want is to create just a solid screen for me. I think I'm going to focus with a black and white type scheme, but you can think about your own color mode. And whatever you use for your colors, you're going to want to keep track of that. So when I go here to this bucket, I'm going to fill it, and I just want to make this black. So what I mean by that is, say you pick another color. Say you want this orange, this burnt orange color. You're going to want to keep track of this 2, this 60, and 64. So as you develop other levels and things throughout the game, things can stay pretty consistent for you. So um, I'm just making mine 100, 100, 0. And I'm actually just going to do a screenshot of this. I remember it should be pretty straightforward. I could write it down, but that just seems to be easier. And that's what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do then, I'm just going to fill this whole entire backdrop this color. And I'm going to call this start screen. So I'm going to go in here and we're going to fill. So the way that we fill this is I'm going to go over here down here to convert to bitmap. And when I do that, I'm going to be able to fill this whole place. So by converting to bitmap, I can go here to this bucket, and there's my fill screen. And let's go ahead and just make that what I had before. I mentioned I wanted it 100, 100, 0. Not going to be able to tell the difference in the black, because it's black. So there we have it, the very first screen. And what I want to do is just put the beginning text on here that's going to be entered. So what I want to do here now is choose a new sprite. And I'm just going to call this welcome. And what I'm going to do here for this text is I'm going to go ahead and type welcome. I'm calling mine welcome to Micro Maze. Now that's black, so I need to change this color so it's actually readable. And then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to mess with this font. I won't do it forever on here for you. I'm going to go that route. And then I want to make this a little bit bigger. Oop, that's a little too big. There we go. And then I want to place this at 0, 0 to begin. Perfect. Okay, so I've got a sprite here, and I've got a backdrop here. What I want you to do is to go ahead and think about your color scheme, think about the name of your game, and go ahead and get that labeled here on this first screen.